Hello everyone, I am Vidyashri BV. Today I am going to present my project on solar powered smart road divider dust collection system. Coming to the introduction part, heavy vehicles which creates a lot of dust which makes the air dirty and harms people's health. So we need a smart road divider which can automatically collect dust when vehicle passes by the system. So this system uses a solar power, a microcontroller and a sensors with very low energy use. So it reduces dust on cement roads and also works well on mud roads. So this is an eco-friendly method to keep roads clean using very few electrical components. Coming to the problem statement, as you all see, the current road dividers are only used for separating lanes and do not help in controlling dust pollution. So there is no simple local system placed on roads to automatically collect or reduce dust. So we need a smart solar powered dust collecting road divider which is needed to capture dust using sensors and microcontroller. Coming to the objectives, the main objective of this project is to reduce dust and air pollution on busy roads by collecting dust from vehicles. Another goal is to design a small system that can easily fit on a road divider and collect dust efficiently. This also aims to use electrical components to capture dust in a simple and effective way. So, a further objective is to make the system eco-friendly by using solar panels to power the dust collecting unit. Components required. These are the components which are required to build this system: Arduino Uno, DC fan, GP2Y1010 dust sensor, and a solar panel, and a removable dust container. Block diagram. This block diagram will represent how components which are connected to each other. Here the solar panel which is connected to charge controller and a charge controller which is connected with a battery and a battery which is connected with Arduino Uno and a DC fan, and the dust sensor which is connected with the Arduino Uno and the dust container which is connected with the DC fan. Working principle. Let us see the working principle of this system. Here we used a solar panel which generates electricity by using sunlight, and it will send it to the charge controller. The charge controller which manages the charging of the battery. It will also protect from overcharging of the battery. The battery which is connected to Arduino Uno and a DC fan, it will gives power to both of this microcontroller and the DC fan. And here the dust sensor which continuously checks the air quality around the road divider. If the dust level is high near the road divider, then it sends sensor signals to the Arduino Uno. Then this microcontroller will activate the DC fan. Then this DC fan will suck into dusty air and it pushes into a removable dust container. This dust container which will releases the clean air into the environment, and the dust particles which are trapped inside it, later it can be collected and removed. Therefore the entire setup is meant to work automatically on a road divider using solar energy. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. This system uses a renewable solar energy which reduces roadside dust pollution, low power consumption, and which is easy to maintain. Environment friendly design. Disadvantages. Dust collection capacity is limited. Performance reduces during rain. So solar power depends on sunlight. Coming to the conclusion. So the overall project provides an easy and eco-friendly method to collect dust from roads. It uses solar energy, works automatically, and helps to reduce dust pollution. It is a cheap, needs low maintenance, and can be used in many road conditions. So overall, This system is a practical way to improve air quality and keep the environment cleaner. Thank you.